Hi friends, we are going to be talking about enema. Why? I've been always telling you the gut is very important for to be healthy. We need to have our gut intact and really cleanse it time to time. And how do we cleanse it? Then one important way I found out was I wanted to share with you coffee enema. What? Coffee you usually drink, right? So do you have an enema which you give it through the aboral side to detox? Yes, it is. So it does detox the body and it's good for the eyes as well. So for centuries it has been used in another very unique way as a therapeutic enema for centuries together. Coffee enema involves introducing brewed coffee into the rectum and colon. This integrative therapy is said to detoxify the liver, improve circulation, and supports overall health. Recently, practitioners have been exploring its role in reducing oxidative stress and improving microcirculation, especially in the eyes, the brain, heart, kidney. So this benefits may extend to all the other parts of the body, as I told you, including the hands and legs. So how does it act? When coffee is introduced rectally, it works differently than when you drink it. Liver detoxification. The coffee compounds called caffeine, theobromelain, and theophylline stimulates the liver and gallbladder. They increase the bile flow, which helps to flush out toxins, fats, and waste products. So it improves in glutathione production. As I told you before, also in previous videos, glutathione is a very powerful antioxidant. The most powerful master antioxidant, I should say. So the coffee enema triggers the liver to produce more glutathione, and this acts as a fantastic antioxidant, a shield, a protective shield for the body. This reduces oxidative stress and protects the cells from getting damaged. So colon cleansing is another way. It helps remove impacted waste, reduces harmful gut bacteria, and improves colon motility and mobility. The nervous system stimulation happens by caffeine absorbed via rectal veins, stimulates the vagus nerve and promotes relaxation, improved digestion, and better blood flow. So how to do a coffee enema? That's a very important thing, right? So always consult a trained practitioner before starting it. You don't do it yourself. This is a rider. So we prepare a coffee solution using organic light roasted coffee rich in active compounds. So brew the 2 to 3 tablespoons in about 500 ml of filtered water, like how you do it for making coffee to drink. Cool to body temperature. Then the setup should use an enema kit with a clean bag, a bucket, and a tube. Place yourself on a comfortable surface and the right side or the knee chest position. Administration: gently insert the tube let the coffee solution flow slowly into the colon. Retention: hold the solution for about 10 to 15 minutes for best effect. Then evacuate in the toilet. Benefits for general health are liver support, flushes out toxins and improves the detoxification. It improves digestion, stimulates bile flow and gut motility. The increased antioxidants, because of raised glutathione levels, make it a fantastic anti-aging tool. It reduces inflammation, supports immune balance. The energy and clarity, many report improved alertness and reduced fatigue. It's very supportive in chronic illnesses and is used in integrating cancer treatments and detox protocols. So in eye health, always I touch the eye. In eye diseases linked to oxidative stress, poor detoxification and circulation issues, coffee enemas are proving to be an indirect support. Example, in glaucoma, it improved detox and antioxidant protection may help reduce optic nerve stress. In diabetic retinopathy, liver support reduces systemic oxidative burden, benefiting retinal's microcirculation. In macular degeneration, the glutathione levels which boost and protect the retinal pigment epithelium and photoreceptors, it improves the visual outcome as well. In optic atrophy, enhanced blood flow and reduced oxidative damage may support nerve cell survival. So, some possible side effects could be there. Electrolyte imbalance if done excessively. If you do give too much of coffee enema, the patient could go have too much of loose stools and can cause electrolyte imbalance. And the dependence on enemas for bowel movement, if it is overused, if you keep using it, you can have a dependence for bowel movements. Cramps, dehydration, rectal irritation are some of the other conditions which some people have they have reported. It's contraindicated in patients with colon surgery, hemorrhoids, or gastrointestinal diseases. So to conclude, a coffee enema is more than a detox fad. It's time-tested integrative therapy that stimulates the liver, enhances antioxidant production, and cleanses the colon. By lowering oxidative stress and improving the circulation, it may offer systemic health benefits and protective effects for the eyes, especially in chronic degenerative eye conditions, which we are often dealing with. However, coffee enemas must be done correctly and in moderation, always under medical supervision and guidance. Thank you, friends. If you've liked this video, subscribe and send it to your friends and relatives. Have a happy day. Happy coffee.